Hi, I'm Lee from Amanda for Blinds, here to show you how to fit a safety device or bracket to a number of different types of window blinds to make them child safe. Child safety brackets have been available for cord operated window blinds for over 10 years now, but it wasn't until March 2014 that it became compulsory by law that all cord operated blinds fitted at domestic properties must have a safety bracket or compliant safety device fitted. The purpose of these devices are to prevent loops in cords being created which can cause strangulation to small children. Further details can be found on the Royal Society for the Prevention of Accidents website www.rospa.com. One of the most popular types of blinds are vertical blinds, which in my opinion create one of the greatest risks of strangulation to very young children. If your blind was fitted before March 2014, it will more than likely have a cord weight system like this one here. I'm now going to show you how to adjust this and fit a safety bracket to make it compliant with the child safety regulations. First of all, you're going to need a tape measure to measure the new length of your cord and chain, and a pen to mark that with. Depending on the material that you're fixing the P bracket to, you may need a masonry drill bit, raw plug and a screw, a hammer to knock the raw plug in with, and finally a cordless drill to fix the P bracket to the wall. First of all, we must remove the slats to create a clear working area. These just unhook. Keep them nice and tidy because you'll want to hang them back up after we've finished. Now that we've taken down the slats, we need to remove the cord weight from our vertical blind so we can fit the child safety bracket to the wall. The vertical blind has two cords: the control ball chain, which tilts the slats, and the operating cord, which draws the slats backwards and forwards. Both of these need to be fitted with an appropriate safety bracket, in this case a P bracket. The legal requirement states that these cords have to be fitted 1.5 metres from ground level, and this is measured from the floor to the bottom of the cord loops. To measure this, it needs to be done before you take the blind down. Make a mark on the wall at 1.5 metres from the floor, then measure from the base of the rail that's up to that mark. This will determine the new length for your cord and chain. Firstly, we'll adjust the operating cord. To do this, we'll need to take the rail down by unclipping the brackets. As you look in the rail, tucked inside the lead truck is a knot. Using long nose pliers, locate the knot like so and pull this out of the rail. Now clip the rail back up, ensuring that all the trucks are all the way across the rail. Now if you pull the knot you've just located, you'll notice the control cord goes shorter. Pull this until the mark that you made earlier, 1500mm from the floor. That is where you need to retie the knot, like so. Retie the knot and then cut off the longer tail. Pulling the cord back down, you will see this is now 1500mm from the floor. With the operating cord at the desired length, we can now fit our P bracket. Take the P bracket, attach it to the cord. With your drill and screw, ensure that there is a little bit of tension on the control cord. This means that when the blinds are drawn back, the cord will not droop below the rail. And screw to your wall using the appropriate method, either a raw plug or, in this case, we've got a wooden surround so we can screw it straight into the wood. With the operating cord now at the desired length, we must now adjust the ball chain. Ensure that the joiner of the ball chain is pulled all the way to the bottom of the loop. Like so. Don't worry about the ratchet noise, that is normal. Now, disconnect the joiner of the ball chain, like so. With the ball chain disconnected, thread this through the safety bracket. And with a pair of scissors, cut to the length required for your safety bracket. Now, reconnect the ball chain with the joiner you've taken off, like so. And now you'll have a fully functional vertical blind which meets all child safety regulations.